Greetings from yet another secluded nudist beach spot in Stockholm, located in Svärdsö nature reserve in Nacka. And it's been quite a while since I was here in this beautiful nature, where you can enjoy out on the sea naked. Yes, this is the Baltic Sea, obviously. And on this Saturday, 9th of August, currently it is 12 o'clock noon, and I am out for yet another beach adventure today on this beach day in Sweden. This year for me 85. Times go really fast indeed. Despite me being out of Sweden for so long this year, I was still gonna be able to manage at least 150 days, I think, this year. And I have also fixed the brakes on my Scott that were very low functioning. So today I decided to cycle a bit further. 19.5 kilometers it was with the shortcut I took, otherwise it's 20 kilometers exactly. And also a short walk here in the forest from one of the ends of Solsidan, which is a posh neighborhood in Stockholm, part of Nacka municipality. And here we have also a bit of closed sea behind us, but it's part of the Baltic Sea and it stretches around the whole of the nature reserve. And on the other side there is even one more bigger nudist beach also as well. But I decided today, while the sun is up, to start the day here and then maybe go on the other side as well. 21 degrees Celsius approximately right now in the air, and it's gonna get also a bit warmer today, but there will be more clouds, I think, later. Even though now we have sun, it is hiding behind some set of clouds behind. And I remember that island over there was above water, so it seems like we have overflow of water here in the sea suddenly. I don't think it was raining that much here, so I'm not really sure why that is the case. And yeah, it's gonna be nice day out on the sea. And let me show you around as well. There's my Scott gravel bike, perfect for this adventure today. And the beach continues also a bit further in as well. Beautiful, beautiful. There are so many these type of beach spots out in the nature that you can be fully relaxed and enjoy it for sure. Off we go with the thermometer. I think it's gonna be a bit colder than usual, and here it's also very easy to enter where I am. Here it is a bit kind of sand, and Chris is out on the sea again, and it's gonna be the weather like this in the upcoming days, around 20 degrees Celsius with some sunshine but mostly clouds. So it feels like the summer is coming closely to an end in the northern hemisphere, at least in Stockholm. But don't worry, I will be traveling also a bit this autumn in some warmer destinations, so it's gonna be amazing. Oh, 22 degrees Celsius. All right, 2 days ago in Erstavik, not so far away from here, it was 19 degrees. So here I can also swim also for half an hour, which I really look forward to. With this wonderful view of this beach, it's time now to take a swim. Short swim now, but longer I will do later, 30 minutes, and here I can swim a very nice circle. Few circles actually. Yeah, then let's get going. Ooh, that's amazing. Wonderful. Such a wonderful spot. I love it. This is definitely one of my top 10 favorite beach spots in Stockholm region for sure. And I'm almost always alone when I come here, despite this being very close to a rather posh neighborhood, so I guess people from there are taking the boat somewhere out on the archipelago here in Stockholm. But yeah, beautiful cycling and beach adventure, and I'm ready also now for some swim. But it was definitely my pleasure to show you Svärdsö nature reserve and this secluded beach spot over here that you can be definitely naked on. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.